Up next, we celebrate the visionaries and masters of storytelling. This is the Best Director category.
We're making history tonight. To present the award for Best Director, please welcome writer, editor, composer, and director. His films include the historical biopics General Luna, Goyo, and Quezon. Several Shake, Rattle, and Roll episodes, Sana Dati, Bliss. Please welcome Direk Gerald Taro.
Okay, good evening. It takes a village to create a beautiful film, and every village needs a chief, a leader. With vision and direction, isang mahusay na tagakumpas at gabay para maihatid ang mensahe ng isang kwento. Sila ang maghahatid ng mensahe na gustong iparating ng isang kwento sa mga manonood. Ito ang mga nominado para sa Best Director. Jeffrey Jitorian, and Mary. Cape Oibanda Barbaros. Sigrid Andrea Bernardo, I'm perfect. June Robles Lana, call me mother. And Raymond Red, Manilas Finest. Okay, and the award for Best Director goes to congratulations and welcome back, Jeffrey Jitorian.
To present the Best Director Trophy are Dr. Rowena Capulong Reyes, Miss Maan Lopez, Direct Joey Romero, and awarding the cash prize of 100,000 pesos from Playtime Entertainment. We have Jersey Rain Cruz, Playtime Entertainment Binibini 2025.
Good evening ho. Kung si Vice ganda, hindi na ganda ng speech, ako ho nag-prepare. Thank you MMFF for this award. I would like to share this award with all the people I've worked with in making the film and those who helped me realize my vision. Unang-una, my producers, Sinico, Quantum, and Min Bernardo. Nung inoffer sa akin ito ni Attorney Joji, ang sabi niya, wish niya for me is manalo ako. Manalo ako nito. So, Attorney, bonus ha. Second, sa staff and crew na nagkanda kumahog na tapusin ang pelikula para umabot kami sa deadline na isinet ninyo, MFFF. Pangatlo, sa mga artista ko, kay Angelica na personal best actress ko, kay Sanjo Marudo na personal best actor ko, kay Latom, kay Solen, kay Eugene, kay Sak, kay Nico, at sa rest of the cast na pinadali ang trabaho ng direktor kasi sobrang husay nilang lahat. Pang-apat, kay Chris Martinez at kay Teresa Cayaba, dahil pinayagan nila at hinayaan nila akong paglaruan yung script nila. Of course, in a good way. And to my family and friends. And of course, kay Lord na from whom all good things emanate. Gusto ko rin ialay ang award na ito sa isang kaibigan at mentor na kahit pumanaw na ay bit-bit ko pa rin ang mga itinuro sa akin sa paggawa ng makabuluhang pelikula kay Armando Binglao. At sa isa ko pang mentor at kaibigan na national artist, si Ricky Lee, na salamat sa Diyos ay buhay pa naman ngayon. Salamat.
Once again, maraming salamat po sa Toplex Advertising.
Jervy, Michael, marami na tayong award na naibigay ngayong gabi. Pero, marami pang dapat bigyan ng pagkilala.
Tama ka. Kaya naman, it's time to recognize the top films in this year's edition of the Film Fest. Exciting.
Oo, and to present our next award, please welcome two versatile actors from the movie On Mary, Zanjo Marudo and Angelica Panganiban.
Lahat ng mga pelikulang kabilang sa Metro Manila Film Festival taon-taon ay talaga namang salang-sala. Lahat nagpapakita ng high level of artistry.
Lahat may emotional impact sa ating mga manonood at talaga namang nagpamalas ng cinematic excellence.
Tonight, it's our honor to present to you this year's third Best Picture.
For
For
third best picture,
it's a tie,
it's a tie.
Manila's Finest and Call Me Mother.
To present the trophy for third best picture is MMDA Chairman Romando Artes.
Maraming salamat po. Hindi namin inaasahan na masasama kami sa tatlong best pictures. Gaya ng sinabi ni Meme, sanay na kaming nakikita pero hindi pinapansin. So maraming salamat po. Napaka-personal sa akin ng pelikulang ito. Yung pinagdadaanan ni Twinkle ay isang bagay na pagdadaanan namin. Yung eksena ng batang pipirma at kailangan niyang isulat kung sino ang pinipili niya dahil 10 years old na siya. Pagdadaanan namin next year. So, hindi ko ma-imagine na yung anak ko ay susulat para piliin niya kami. Sana walang batang kailangan pagdaanan yun. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng producers namin. Maraming salamat, Meme. Pinagkatiwalaan mo uli ako. Nadine, maraming salamat. Bahagi ka na ng pamilya namin. At sana makagawa pa tayo ng marami. Sa lahat ng mga kasama namin, sa lahat, kasi maraming salamat. Sana po panoorin niyo lahat ng pelikula sa Metro Manila Film Fest. Thank you po.
Ano ba sabihin ko? Well, first of all, thank you for the recognition, of course, MMFF, sa jury, MMDA. Lagi ko sinasabi, this is my first time in Metro Manila Film Festival. Naunahan pa ako ng anak ko na sila Michael Red, no? Nanalo na sila dito. So, Mick, andito na, kahit paano. And then, of course, again, papasalamat ako sa producers, no? And sa lahat. Itong award na to sa amin lahat, of course, no? Lahat na nagtrabaho. Sa MQuest, Spring Films, kay Piolo, The Trust, no? Na naniwala sila sa akin na I can pull this off even with tight schedules and I haven't done a film in 10 years eh. So parang everybody was wondering kakayanin ko ba. It was amazing na it went smoothly. So salamat sa lahat ng suporta. Lahat nagsuporta, nagtrabaho talaga for this film. No? So we're quite surprised na buo namin yung film the way it is. So sana panoorin ng mas maraming tao. Sana mas maraming audiences ang manood sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Ako, personal advocacy ko yan to fight for watching movies the classic way. Watch it on the big screen, no? And watch it from beginning to end. Hindi yung pinopost natin at nire-rewind. Because pinaghirapan yan from pre-production, scriptwriting, editing, di ba? Shooting. It was meant to be seen in its length, no? Si Love Diaz nga, 8 hours eh. So sana bumalik ang mga tao maniwala sa kakaibang experience of watching the movies on the big screen. No? Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our two winners for third best picture, Manila's Finest and Call Me Mother. Congratulations.
Congratulations po sa inyo at ngayon naman to present this year's second best picture. Please welcome the stars of Manila's Finest, both good-looking and talented. Please welcome music icon Rico Blanco and the ultimate heartthrob Piolo Pascual.
Emotional power, artistic vision, and exceptional execution. Ilan lamang ito sa mga katangian ng mga pelikulang kalahok sa 51st edition ng Metro Manila Film Festival.
Mula simula hanggang dulo, ang pelikulang ito ay nag-iwan ng marka sa ating isipan. It's our honor to present this year's second best picture.
Your hand, bro.
Lahat na. No?
Okay. The MMFF 51 Best Picture is
On Mary by Quantum Films and Cynical Productions.
Presenting the trophy for second best picture is MMDA Chairman Romando Artes.
Sorry kasi ang pinaghandaan ko lang speech yung Best Director. So salamat na lang and I will ask my actors to take the floor.
Congratulations sa lahat ng mga nanalo at maraming salamat MMFF para sa second best picture na Anne Mary. Ayun, thank you sa lahat ng nanood ng Anne Mary. Ayun, sana lagi yung tandaan na may mga bagay sa buhay na kailangan natin ipaglaban at may mga bagay din na kailangan natin bitawan na. Maraming salamat.
Good evening, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And gusto po magpasalamat sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Sa lahat po na bumubuo, maraming salamat po sa pagbigay sa amin ng second best picture. At hindi ko nasabi, naganda ako ng speech hindi ko nasabi. Actually, gusto ko lang pasalamatan ang asawa ko dahil hinahayaan niya akong patuloy na gawin ang first love ko, which is creating and making films and movies. Gusto ko lang pong sabihin sa inyo kung gaano ko po kamahal ang industriyang ito. Kaya po sana magtulungan po tayo at panatilihin po nating buhay ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Maraming salamat po sa Board of Jurors for choosing us as your second best picture for this year. Thank you so much po. And I would just like to remind everyone that this film is not about the end of loving. It's actually teaching us where life begins. Because sometimes, not every forever starts in the altar, but rather it starts with walking away. Sa lahat ng gustong makaranas ng paglalaya, sana po panuorin niyo ang pelikula. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino!
Congratulations to our third best picture, Manila's Finest and Call Me Mother. Second best picture, Anne Mary, and third outfit change of Khaled Karen.
Wow, ganun talaga. Congratulations on Mary. Kasama ako sa movie na yan. I'm so happy. And once again, we thank Toplex Advertising. At coming up next, malalaman na po natin kung sino ba ang magwawagi ng Best Picture.
I'm sure all of us are excited. Kaya tutok lang dito sa Metro Manila Film Festival 51st Gabi ng Parangal.